Aussie pattern signal fire, split wood, metre by metre, filled with shed loads of dry, burnable material. It's in this rack. I'm going to light a fire down there. The smoke from that fire, not flames, is going to dry the whole thing out. Smoke and heat. Below the signal fire is a wood drying rack, so we can dry out more fuel for the campfire while the campfire is lit. And importantly, the whole thing is protected by a thatched roof. Again, that's at a good angle to allow water to run off. Flash at the corners with Retta. When a rescue helicopter's heard, we'll transport this with a pre-rehearsed location action plan through a cleared path that we've made over to where you see the bright light, and that's where we've cut a wind chime. We'll light this in the wind chime, throw loads of green vegetation on top when it's really going, and the column of heat punch the smoke up above the high canopy.
Ready with the other one, mate. Come on, fucker.
Nessie, could you step right a little bit, mate? Just for this. Cheers.
Take that one out so we use the smoke head, mate. You go get some fucking... I might leave it on and just hold it in. You go get some green, mate. Let it tap a minute. Yeah, that's fucking lovely. Give it 10 seconds, mate, then we'll whack some green on.